if AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF and Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7, then find X value. And from this figure, the question is, from this figure, if AB and CD are parallel to each other, and the next one, CD is parallel to F, CD line is parallel to EF, and find that angle X, and something is given here, Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7. These are the values, and write that what are given values. So lines AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and the next one is CD parallel to EF, CD parallel to EF. Another one is given, that is, and Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7. These are the given values, and we need to find out angle X value. And here 3 lines are there, and first line is AB and CD. Both these lines are parallel to each other, and the next one, and CD line is parallel to EF line. And what we have learned the theorem, if the 2 lines are parallel to each other, and then the same way the line is parallel to the another line, and both the lines will be parallel to each other. What we have learned in the theorem 6.6. If AB and CD are parallel to each other, and we can say that CD and EF are parallel to each other, and so I am showing here, if these 2 lines are parallel to each other, that is the first case, and in case these 2 lines are parallel to each other, this is the second case, and these 2 lines are parallel to each other. That is the theorem we learnt. And now which one we need to find out here? Angle X value and angle Y. Angle X value only we need to find out. Angle Y is to Z is given 3 is to 7. From the figure, and we can say here AB, CD and EF, all these three lines are parallel to each other, and now this line is a transversal line. Just indicate this one as P and Q, and then just indicate this angle. This one is angle O. Okay, this one is angle O. I am indicating that one. And now what we can write here from the figure, if PQ is a transversal line and angle X and angle Y both are same side of this line. Look here, angle X and angle Y, both the angles are same side on the transversal line. And from the figure what we can write means same side angles of the transversal line, transversal and X and same side angles of the transversal are angle X and angle Y. So same side angles, sum of the same side angles equals to angle X plus angle Y equals to 180 degree. So we have already learned same side angles of the transversal line, sum of the same angles equals to 180 degrees. Just think this is equation 1. Now come to the picture again here, and once come to the picture, CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF, and we can say here angle Y and angle Z. Angle Y and angle Z, and that's the ratio is given here. Write that ratio, Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7. Y is to Z equals to 3 is to 7, something is given there. And here from the figure, and we can see here on the line C and D, angle Y and angle O are linear angles. So from the figure again, on line CD, on the line CD, and what are the linear angles? Angle Y and angle O are linear lines, linear paired angles. So we can write here angle what is that angle? Angle Y plus angle O equals to 180 degree. This is equation 2. This is equation 2, and we can say here another one is if PQ is a transversal line, angle O and angle Z, angle O and angle Z are corresponding angles, and here angle O and angle Z are corresponding angles. Okay. Now angle Y and angle O and angle Z are corresponding angles. Now what about these two angles? We already have the information. AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Now if already given it is these two lines are parallel lines. If these two lines are parallel lines, we have already learned about the corresponding angles. If these two lines are parallel, means the corresponding angles will be equal. So what are the corresponding angles? Angle O and angle Z. Now I am writing that. So angle O equals to angle Z. Angle O equals to angle Z, and from equation 2, what we can write here? Angle Y plus angle O. Angle O means angle Z. Angle Z equals to how much? Angle Y plus angle Z equals to how much? It is 180 degree. Next, so here, and the ratio is given already, Y is to Z equals to 3:7. I am writing this. Let Y equals to 3t and Z equals to 7t. Just now here writing this one, and X plus Y plus Z. Where is that? Y plus Z equals to, just think this is equation 3, and I am getting that from equation 3. What we can write here from equation 3? Angle Y means 3t plus 70, angle Z means 70 equals to 180 degree, and 10t equals to 180 degree, t equals to 180 by 10, that equals to 18 degree. Okay, so t equals to 18 degree. Now we got t equals to 18 degree. Then next, find out the t value. T means what? Y equals to 3t. Now finding the y equals to 3t means 3 equals to 3 into 18, that equals to 54 degree. Y equals to. Then next, Z equals to how much? It is 70. Where is that? Z equals to 70, that equals to 7 into 18 equals to 126 degree. This is Y equals to we got, Z equals to we got. Then once come to the angle X value. Now what is the Y value? 54 degrees. And here angle X plus angle Y, from the equation 1 we have 180 degrees. So I am writing that from equation 1. From equation 1, what we can write? Angle X plus angle Y equals to 180 degree, and angle X plus angle Y, how much we got? 54 degree. 54 degree equals to 180, and angle X equals to 180 minus 54. 180 minus 54, and that means angle X equals to 126 degree. 126 degree. Now this is the angle X value. Okay.